One of the main problems when using adhesives is the lack of knowledge or confusion about the different types of stresses that can affect substrates. To begin with, it is necessary to understand what stress is. Physical stress is defined as all the forces or pressures exerted on the junction of any type of material. In the case of adhesives, stresses affect the bonds created between the two substrates. Number 1, traction. Causes separation between the different particles that make up a piece, tending to elongate it. Number 2, compression. Makes the different particles of a material come closer together, tending to produce shortenings or crushings. Number 3, shear or cutting. Occurs when forces perpendicular to the piece are applied, causing the particles of the material to tend to slip or slide over each other. Number 4, bending. It is a combination of compression and traction. While the upper fibers of the piece subjected to a bending stress elongate, the lower ones shorten or vice versa. Number 5, torsion. Torsional forces cause a piece to tend to twist around its central axis. Another type of stress to consider is peeling, which consists of taking a surface and pulling continuously, which causes the joints to not be able to work together. That is why it is much easier to remove an adhesive under these conditions. This would be all from me. Contact us if you want to know more on social network like adhesive.mx. We are here to serve you with pleasure.